guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pretty Isha, and I'm back with another video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell to be notified for every new and upcoming videos that I post. So in today's video, I will be printing out labels and assembling them, and then I have to run to Walmart and Dollar Tree and Five Below to see what new finds they have. And I might not record in Five Below because they always play music, and your girl don't want to get copyrighted. So yeah, stay tuned and let's get right into the video. Y'all, so I'm currently in Dollar Tree. Look at all their school supplies they have. They different things, they pencil boxes. And then y'all check out this new electrical sharpener. They have it in pink, purple, blue, and also this teal looking color. Y'all look at these cute sharpeners. Like, that is so pretty. And yeah, they are like electrical, so check out your Dollar Tree. Also, y'all look at these little storage, little baggies, pencil pouches they have, which is the purple one says Vibes, the pink one says Bustin', and the blue one says Low Key. And they said pencil pouches, but y'all, your kids could put the money in it and hold it in their book bag, whatever they got. They could put it in their phone, whatever. Then they got the rest of this stuff, y'all know. And then y'all could get this as well. A storage container to match a pouch, which is so cute. But yeah, you know, I got two of those, and I got me a storage container in all pink. And yeah, that's all their school supplies. Now they got composition notebooks. And then over here, they have the teacher essentials, which, yeah, teachers, come check it out as well. Okay, y'all, so I came in the school supply section, and they only had one pink scissors left. Like, everybody do not like pink, but at least I got one. And then, guys, if y'all packing lunch for y'all kids, look, they got the sandwich Ziploc bags, Arthur, Eleanor, Bursting Bears. They have the cups, they have the little things, and then they have the little sandwich, which is the Dolphin brand. Then they have the other sandwich containers, which is one for, you know, $1.25, and they have everything else that you could pack for y'all kids for school. And here go their drinks, the snacks, the cereal, and everything else for back to school. And then, guys, so as you standing waiting in line, they have these cosmetic bags in green, which it says Be Kind. They have blue, says Be You. They have purple that says Be Brave. And then they have pink, says Be Happy. This is so cute. And I think I want this just because it's pink. So yeah, we're gonna get this as well. Okay, guys, so now I just left Dollar Tree and I got my little everything pink. And now I'm gonna go to Walmart. And I'll see y'all when I get in there. Okay, y'all, so I'm inside of Walmart. And I got the chips. And yeah, I'm just walking around to see what else I can find. Hey y'all, why is it so packed in here? Like, why is it so packed? I'm confused. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get to what I'm looking for. Okay, guys, so I got found some toys for babies. And I don't know what I want to get him because I don't know what he like. Like, I don't know what he would play with and stuff. So I don't know what to get, y'all. Y'all comment down below, what should I get? This all the toys they got.
Get him this.
And I want to get him something. No. And I want to get him something that he can play with. Like, I know he's going to play with it. So, y'all, let me find something. And then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So, y'all know I like to check clearance. And it is my baby's birthday today. So, should I get this for him, y'all? It is the Stack and Nest Animals. I don't know what to get him because I don't know what he plays with. But this is how it goes with the animals, and you put water in it or whatever. And then I got all this cute stuff. Ooh, y'all look what they have. I just bought this at Dollar Tree, so I'm not buying it here. But it says love letters, elevated, unique, and yours. And this one said the same thing. So they got it in pink, They got it in black, and then they have it also in a cream color, which is on clearance for $5, just $5. Yep. And Walmart has a lot. And if your favorite color is so-called pink, Walmart has it for you. And what is it though? Yeah, I don't know what to go with, but yeah, y'all can get it if y'all want to. And then what else they have? That's it. And then they have like little toys. They still have this little stuff. They have little stuff, you know, and they go all the way up to $50. And they have a lot of stuff. The games, baskets. What is these? Salad plates. They have salad plates on clearance for a pack for $4. Regular price. I don't see regular price, but yeah. Then they have the sand. They have towels. A lot of towels. $3. They got green. This color. And this color. And they all say Florida. And then they have more cup holders and stuff. Toys, Barbie toys, more Barbie toys, soccer ball, more Barbie toys, Avenger toys, Rainbow High, Monster High dolls, Shadow High dolls. And yeah, that's all they clearance. Okay guys, so immediately after leaving Walmart, I ended up going to my friend's house and went to go assemble the party favorites. As you can see, I'm assembling the chip bags, and then I assembled the waters, the Gatorades, and everything just came out so nice and I love it. So yeah, just continue watching and enjoy. Okay guys, so this is the Gatorades, the waters. If y'all watch my previous clips, I showed y'all all the waters are already in rotation. I showed y'all the chips in rotation, but this is the back. Thank you for coming to my party. Then the front, Noah's first birthday, and it's Lion King, as you could tell, with his friends and him, and then him and his dad, and then you know the paw prints to match his paws, the colors, and yeah, that'll complete this part of the video. And yeah, enjoy.